Well, finally. Some surfers down here, but the weather's allowing us to fish. The 3 days after I returned from Denny, strong winds and a lot of rain, thunder, lightning, but we got a chance to get out this morning. Got about 2 hours until high tide, so we're gonna fish that, and then the other side of the tide, depending on how the fishing's going, we'll see how long we stick around. But it's good to be back out on the beach. A little different than Denny, that's for sure. That didn't take long at all. Not big, it's coming in awful easy. To get off, I'm reeling as quick as I can and I can't catch up. Oh no, he got off. Oh man, that took like 2 minutes. Oh, well, we'll get some more bait on there and get it out. There we go. Oh, it's on the popper too, so oh, the bait's gone. Not a huge salmon. It wasn't hooked real great either. But there we go. That's all right. Probably about mid 30 centimeters. And we're on the board this morning, dude. Gotta go the other way. All right, that's one. Well, I think we're on to another. Not really quite. Yeah, we are. There we go. He just ran in a bit. Oh, up and out. Another one on the popper, but the bait's gone again. So I think the bait brings them in and the popper hooks them up. That's all right. That's a much better fish. Much better fish. There we go. Probably not quite 50 centimeters, but he's a fat, chunky little guy. Well, we'll get him back as well. Not keeping any this morning. There you go, dude. The other way. There you are. No, not a big hit. Wasn't a big hit at all. It's giving a little pull now. Oh, that's not very big. On the popper again. Just a little guy. Well, little, comparative speaking. There we go. There we go. Hey, just a little guy. Maybe 30 centimeters. That's 3. We'll take that. There you go, dude. Off he goes. Well, the line just went completely slack. So I tried to reel it in to catch up to it. And we got a fish on. Whoa, up and out. All right. I love when they jump. Up again. He hit it and came straight in. Feisty one. He's thick. Got him on the bait. Yeah, good size. Good size. Last hook of the 3 got him. There we go. Might be 50. Another thick one. All right. There you go, dude. Well, we're having a bit of an issue now. The current's going from my left to right, and the wind is just starting to pick up. The problem is it's going from right to left. So it's making it very tough to keep the line tight. Probably got about another 45 minutes to high tide, so I'm going to try and stick around till then and see if we can get on a few more. But it's getting a bit difficult. Go. Finally, it has been a wait since that wind picked up. The fight went off. So they probably just moved around a bit. Just a little guy. He's on bait. There we go. Thank you, dude.
That sand tasted good.
Yes, I know, but I'm going to put you back. I'm going to put you back, you feisty little thing. There we are. There we go. There you go. See you later. Oh, he wanted back badly. Yuck. Oh. Ugh. Well, these tea trees work great to get out of the wind. Just busy enough to keep me interested this morning. I think it was 6 or 7 in the end. Not exactly sure, but as I said, just busy enough to keep me interested. But it was weird. As soon as that wind picked up, that bite pretty much went off. I only caught 1 in that last 45 minutes. But great to be back. Great to be out. We've had so much rain. I think we've had 150 mils of rain here over the last like 10, 11 days. So it's been tough to find a time to go fishing. But did today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, keep fishing.